I accidentally found out my fiancé was having an affair with his colleague Rose, and she was wearing the wedding dress I prepared. They kissed in my house without shame. Rose thought I was asleep. She declared her power in front of me.
I'm not gonna let you and Nathan get married tomorrow. I'm pregnant, and he's mine.
I was once a top model, but for my fiancé's dream, I stepped down from the stage and helped him open a modeling company. But Rose's appearance changed everything. When I arrived at the company, Jack tried to kiss me. I quickly turned my head away. He looked confused. In the dressing room, the makeup artist told me, tonight's show was very important. I would appear as Rose, as the finale. They prepared a top dress and expensive jewelry for me. At the same time, Mike's assistant kept watching me. He called Mike and told him my schedule. Mike felt something was wrong. He decided to come in person. After I putting on the necklace, the makeup artist